Hello, I'm Alex from Promonoise, and I am thrilled to be reviewing two style hats from DML today. And of course, DML is Canada's premium supplier of ball caps. They're also the exclusive carrier of Cap America's unbelievable line of caps. Let's take a look at these two styles. The first one I want to show you is the i8525. It's known as the ribbed tri-blend trucker mesh back cap. It's available in three different beautiful fashion-forward colorways. So unlike some of the other styles that have 25 plus colorways, this particular hat is perfect for leisure and corporate. If you're giving away a hat at a golf tournament or at a special event, that's the one you want to look at, and this one too. The i8525 actually has a mesh back and it's pretty monochromatic, but that mesh gives it that beautiful slight difference of color on there that I absolutely love. And the other thing I want to show you is that DML are masters when it comes to decoration. So instead of putting a patch in the middle of the hat, they're showing you that you can actually off-center it a little bit and make it look funky. They offer all kinds of decorating like flat embroidery, 3D embroidery, patches, woven patches, laser engraved, decals, you name it, they've got it and they make it available to you. And they do that in-house. They actually ship a couple of days after they get your order. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Oh, there's so many reasons to love these caps, and I want to get into a little bit about the technology, and we'll do that as we examine the i8526. This one here is known as the ribbed tri-blend snapback cap. And the reason it's got that name is it doesn't have the mesh back. In fact, it's the same fabric all the way around the hat. And this particular hat includes some really cool technology. It's part of Cap America's premium line, which means premium technology, premium materials. Materials like UV protection. And that's really cool, and you gotta know about that because have you ever seen a hat and the colors fade over time? With this type of material, the spandex, the nylon, the polyester, and with the UV protection, this hat is going to maintain its color for a long time. So when your corporation gets that hat, they put their logo on it, they're going to have vibrancy for many, many years to come. But that's not all. There's a lot of extra great technology as well, like the 110 Flex Fit technology. Now, that technology comes from one of the best factories in the world called the Yupong factory, and they make this technology called 110 Flex Fit. It simply refers to the sweatband on the inside of this hat, and 110 means one hat, 10 different size heads. And that's because there's a little bit of stretch on that sweatband technology. Amazing, isn't it? I absolutely love the style of these hats. Hey, don't forget that DML loves sampling. So all of their samples are no charge, and if you want to do a spec sample, all you have to do is give DML your logo, let them know about it, and they will put the logo on a cap and get that out to you. The specs are no charge. How amazing is that, right? This 8526 is also available in three different colorways, and they are solid colorways. So don't forget, this is more of your corporate hat, your leisure hat, beautiful technology, unbelievable materials. You are going to love these two styles. Hey, I'm Alex from Promonoise. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to keep on making beautiful noise.